I leave this over that side. All right. Alrighty. So I know nobody has shown up as yet, but depending on what time you get here and what time you're seeing this live, welcome to my Think Nursing channel. All right, where we discuss everything related to nursing, travel, and lifestyle. Hi, Magnus. How are you doing? Thank you for tuning in. Stacy here with the Think Nursing channel. All right. How are you doing today? How has your day been? All right. So while I'm waiting for a few more persons to pop in, I'm just here trying to finish up some notes while I'm on the road. So that's all. Where are you from, Magnus? Hi, thank you for tuning in. Where is my paper? I'm just here making some notes as I am waiting on a few more persons to pop in. What's that patient's name? Oh, you're from Nigeria. Okay, hi. Hello, Kapar. Hi, sister. Hello. Thank you for tuning in. How are you guys doing? This is a Think Nursing channel where we discuss everything related to nursing, travel, and lifestyle. Johnson is asking, does your car have trouble starting? No, it doesn't. Why do you ask that question, Johnson? Are you driving something similar to this one and having problems? Hi, Thi. Hi, Maniram. Hello, how are you doing? Hello, hi. Thank you for that comment. Mike, hola. Yes, hello, Kevin 8, saying my Jamaican cousin. Yeah, man, Rastafari. Okay, welcome. How are you guys doing? I know there's one person from Nigeria, or it says he or she's from Nigeria. Where are the others from? Do we have any Jamaican here? Oh, Germany. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Okay, so you've been on the live, Johnson. Thank you so much for tuning in again. All right. Rival Prime says hi. Where are you schooling? Well, I did my studies back in Jamaica, and my bachelor's in Jamaica and then my master's here in the US. I Jamaican, yeah man. Kevin, okay. Love from India. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, Rival Prime says, you're new. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, all right? Hi, Mugesh. Nice having you here today. So thank you to all the persons who have been checking in from over the globe. This is nice. We have a mixture here. Feliz, hello. Yes, I am in the US. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes, please do, Rival. Really appreciate that. Johnson. Okay. No, I'm not having any trouble with my car. Okay. And as I said, this is a Think Nursing channel, so we're discussing anything related to nursing, travel, and lifestyle. Hello, Dolly. How are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. I am doing fine, thanks. And you? Okay. Oh, you're from India? Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. What time is it there? So it is 3 o'clock here. Thank you so much for subscribing, Chloe Roblox or Roblox Edits. Thank you. I'm from Jamaica. Thank you. Oh, it's 2:35 a.m. Okay. In Jamaica, I think it's around 4 o'clock now. They're 1 hour ahead. Jacob Jones. I'm not banned. Okay, Jones, you're from Jones Winifred. You're from Nigeria. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, and there's someone from Bangladesh, Iran. Okay. Okay, it's 3:06 there in the morning. Okay. Nice, Kevin. It's 4:06. Okay. So you're on the Jamaican time as well. And Chloe is from Ireland. Okay, nice. Nice for you to tune in. Okay, thankfully Valfor or Vafor says he or she is from Ukraine. Not getting okay. Thank the Lord for that. All right, happy to know you're safe. Okay, so I'm actually just finishing up with work. So I'm actually doing some charting, but then, you know, a few of you guys pop in. So thank you, Chloe. Really appreciate that comment. She says I'm beautiful. Okay, so Jones Winifred says it's 7 p.m. Okay. Where are you now, Winifred Jones? Let me see. Oh, Nigeria. Okay, okay, nice, nice. I met some Nigerians yesterday at this group home I was visiting. Yeah, cool set of people. Okay, yeah, so I'm actually just making some notes here, finishing up some charting that I have here to turn in by, you know, the ending of the week. So thank you. Yeah, I did my own hair. Thank you, Chloe. It took me probably like, you know, a week to get it completed, but yeah. And thank you. Yes, I got my glasses in Lens Crafters. They have some really nice shades there. So yeah, that's where I get my glasses. Punk King Aran, please. You car outdoor. I'm not so sure what you're trying to say, Aran. Hello, KN. Thank you so much for tuning in. How are you doing? Oh, your hair is hard to tie up. Okay. I'm doing fine, KN. How are you? And where are you from? Okay, nice. Nice to know that. Where are you from? Have you ever tried braids before, Chloe? Oh, you're from India? Okay, nice, nice. Thank you so much for tuning in from India. Do we have any nurses on here? I'm from Jamaica. And remember to double tap the screen, you know, to like and give it a thumbs up. A thumbs up, that is. No, not yet. You should try it, Chloe. You'll probably get a nice, you know, finish. Seeing that your hair is probably a little bit too curly for, you know, these kind of hairstyle. Okay, yes, please do. Thank you, KN. Really do appreciate that. Yeah, so do we have any nurses here or anyone in the medical field? Just curious. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about nursing immigration. So I moved from Jamaica to here. So just in case any, you know, we have any nurses here. Oh, your mom is a doctor. Oh, nice, nice. Chloe says that. You know, then I will try to answer questions based on my, you know, experience with a recruiting company. So I do these impromptu, you know, live to see if anybody is out there wanting to hear a little bit more. So that's all. Wilbert, I don't know. Okay. Magnus, oh, you're a registered nurse. Okay. Anesthesis. Okay. Practicing in Nigeria. Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in, Magnus. Really do appreciate that. Are you planning on moving to the States? So I've been working as a nurse for how many years? Oh, 13, heading into 14 years now. Yeah. That's so long. So I did a mixture of not psych. I hate psych. But I did peds. I worked in the what we would call like a NICU. I've done emergency nursing, a little bit of a gynae, med surge, and med tele. Yeah. And emergency. That's where I did the bulk of my years. And now I'm working as a nurse practitioner doing house calls. Oh, Chloe's asking what's my favorite color. I like earth tone colors, but I tend to like a few like bright colors as well. So, you know, the orange and the green. Yeah. Can you come out of your car? Of course, KN. I can come out of my car. I'm not paralyzed. I don't understand what's that. Do you want to see outside? All right, let me show you outside. All right, this is where I'm at, sitting and doing my notes. Okay. See? So it's a big plain field. If you're from India, right over that side, there are a lot of Indians that come out this side and play cricket. Yeah, in their white suit and everything. On weekends. On Sundays, they're there. Saturdays, they're there. So, and then you have a pond over that side. And then we have a little area over that side for the kids. So, it's a nice little area out this side. Yeah, so this is where I'm at, but I'm able to get out of my car. Not paralyzed. I just work from my car a lot of times. Oh, so Magnus, you'll be going to Jamaica. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, which area are you thinking about? Which area are you thinking about going, Magnus? In the Kingston area, Manchester? Or if Southern Regional, what rings a bell for you? Joan says, what is the name of your car? It's a Volkswagen. Pretty okay. This is my first Volkswagen. I'm always a Subaru person though. Which department are you working? I work with the elderly folks. Yeah. So I work in geriatrics. So I do a lot of house calls, house assessments. So I go in, see the patients, you know, house visits. If they need anything, I go in, see them, and that's it. Okay. I remember to go ahead and tap the screen, all right, to give this a thumbs up, all right? Okay, thank you for saying that, Chloe. Thank you for saying that. What area are you in, Chloe? You're spamming the hearts. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I do on a daily basis. I do a lot of driving, so I don't have a set time for work, so I just go in, see the patients, and then from there, you know, whenever I'm finished, then I go home or I'll do some notes, you know, on the road. Okay. Yeah, I have a personal life outside of the Think Nursing channel. Are you FNP? Thank you so much, Type and Nature TV. No, I'm not a family nurse practitioner. That's what I started out with, and then I switched over to acute care. I'm actually adult gerontology nurse practitioner. Sorry about that, Chloe. Yes. Are you interested in the FNP program, Type Nature TV? You'll be a little bit more rounded because, you know, when you do the family, you see all patients of all age groups, so that's good. But I just see patients from 13 upward. Oh, you want to answer regarding dating? No, I'm not dating right now, KN. Thank you so much for asking that question though, but no, I'm not dating. Do you have any nursing related questions though, KN? Yeah, so I like that about what I'm doing right now because I have a lot of flexibility. I don't have to, you know, be clocking in at a certain time or anything. All right, so if you're looking for something that is very flexible, making your own time, seeing patients whenever you feel like, not necessarily when you feel like, but whenever the patients are sick, you know, or if you're doing follow-ups, basically, you know, you get a chance to just see them at your own pace. Thank you for understanding, KN. Really appreciate that. All right, so that's the thing with, you know, my job right now. So I spend a lot of time on the road. I used to do emergency room nursing, and so it was a handful. I love it because I'm always busy, which is good. I don't like when it's too quiet. So that's it. When will your next stream be? Chloe is asking. My next, I have no, probably tomorrow, because I'm gonna be taking the day off tomorrow. So I'll probably pop in tomorrow for another stream. Type Nature TV, thinking about doing cardiology. Yes, that's the area I wanted to go in as a nurse practitioner, but then I didn't want to be doing any on-call or any, you know, weekends. I don't want to be doing any shifts. Yeah, so I definitely just wanted a little bit more time outside of, you know, the acute setting. Yeah, and lots of the jobs I was seeing, they were asking for, you know, they were asking for weekends, or they were asking for night shift. So that's about it on that. But nice type Nature TV for saying that. But cardiology is a nice area. I did work at a specialist hospital for cardiology, and that was good. I learned a lot of things. Thank you for that comment, Punk Aaron. Okay, thank you so much for that comment. Yeah, I'm not gonna show anything though. Please show your driving. No. I can drive. All right, I can drive. So we're not gonna be driving today. So Magnus is asking, which university is better for Bachelor's of Science post-RN in Jamaica when considering low tuition fees? So that's a good question. But you know, we have a few colleges down there. The one that I went to was a private university, so that was a little bit expensive. But I think the best place to go and do that, it's through, you know, the University Hospital of the West Indies. You can look up that one. And then they have the in-service with the government. I'm not so sure about anywhere else that does the post-RN, you know. Honestly, Magnus, I cannot tell you. I did my post-basic for emergency nursing at the University Hospital of the West Indies. And that was pretty good. Type Nature TV says, sounds like you went to NCU. Of course, and it seemed like you were an NCU graduate as well. Yeah, that's where I went for my nursing program. What year did you graduate at Type Nature TV? Thank you for that comment, Daryl. Says, oh God, you... Okay, thank you for that comment. Do we have any other nurse on here? And as I say, remember to double tap on the screen. And remember, check out the ThinkNursing channel. All right, if you haven't subscribed as yet, and there's a lot of information I share regarding, you know, my transition from Jamaica to the US and my experience. And I also talk about like just general information for persons who are interested in the nursing field as a, you know, registered nurse practitioner. I'll share like, you know, just general information there. So feel free to check out and just hear some information there as well. And if you haven't checked out I have a GoFundMe page. You can go ahead and check out my GoFundMe page. It is a page that I created for Hurricane Beryl victims in Jamaica. So I've gotten $300 so far, and my goal is for $10,000. So all of you folks who are, you know, checking the channel out or here, you can think about that as well. The link is in my bio if it is something that you're interested in. Okay, and you can donate as little as $1, and the max, you know, whatever you want to donate, you'll donate it, and then I'll broadcast information on my channel here regarding where the money is going. Okay, Yes, so I have a few charity work that I'm working on. So Type Nature TV, you said something about NCU, but I'm asking, are you NCU graduate as well? So I have a lot of plans for my channel here and, moving forward. But it's more of like content sharing I'm doing. And then from there, the channel will improve. But Magnus, you can check out the University Hospital of the West Indies. You can also check out UWI, and there's Northern Caribbean University as well. I don't think they do any post basic programs there though, but you can check out those university and then from there. I would say for Jones Winifred, I would say start with the University Hospital of the West Indies. That's the best area I'm thinking regarding the university, which is better for doctors. Yeah. I would start there. Most of our doctors in Jamaica are trained there. I'm thinking probably there are some private smaller universities, but I'm not so familiar with them. But a lot of persons, you'll hear them talking about the University of the West Indies. So you can check out that one for your program if that's something you're interested in. So what area are you in, Jones Winifred? And there's a medical doctor that I follow. I don't remember her name or her channel's name. But yeah, she does a lot of day in the life of a doctor. So you can always check out her page, or you can always just type in like Jamaican doctors who are doing YouTube channel, and you'll find 1 and 2 persons, and you probably can ask them as well, Winifred. But I think most persons will definitely tell you that the University of the West Indies would have been the most ideal. Has anyone ever been to Jamaica before? Or planning on going to Jamaica? That is something that you need to, consider adding to your bucket list. Yeah. And the nursing program in Jamaica is very good. So just in case there's anybody here who is interested, the nursing program is very good down in Jamaica. You do receive a lot of hands-on, with your clinicals. So by the time you're finished, you're feeling like a pro. You're very confident to go into the working world regarding, regarding that. Magnus, okay. You can go ahead and Instagram me at, ThinkNursing. And then you can also reach me on Facebook. So ThinkNursing1, you can Instagram me, and then you can also reach out to me on Facebook at ThinkNursing Magnus. All right. Courtney G, thank you so much for tuning in. I am from Manchester. Are you from Jamaica? Yeah, I'm from Manchester, South Manchester, in Jamaica. Okay. Yeah, so that's where... Have you been to Jamaica before, Courtney? So yeah, so the nursing program is... Oh, you're from St. Anne. Okay. Yeah, my sister lives in St. Anne. One of my sisters lives in St. Anne. Okay, nice. Thank you so much for tuning in. Are you a nurse, or what area are you in? Yeah, so as I was saying, the nursing program in Jamaica is very good. You get a lot of hands-on experience there, and by the time you're finished, you're feeling really comfortable about going in the working field. So if there's anybody here, persons from overseas do go into Jamaica as well to study nursing. Okay, your wife is a nurse. Okay, nice, nice. Big up to your wife. I know she's doing a wonderful job. It's nice having you here though. Okay. But yeah, the program there is very good. And then we have post-basic programs that, the government does pay for. And so it kind of makes it a little bit more comfortable working in different areas. So if you're interested in like, OB, or if you're interested in, operating room, critical care, emergency nursing, those are things that the government do sponsor there as well, with the hopes that, you'll be staying in the country. So I don't want everybody to, pick up and run. I know opportunities do come, and if it is a case where you definitely have to take it, then that's fine. But I think they're working real hard. I myself will be coming back home one day, So she's doing the NP course. Okay, nice. Is she here in the States or in Jamaica? Okay. So Courtney's saying that his wife is doing the NP course. Okay. That's nice. The only thing I never really like about, doing the masters in Jamaica is that you have to do like so much. At the time, if you wanted to become a nurse practitioner, you have to do psych, you have to do midwifery before you can actually get into the program. And that was just, oh, you're in Canada. Okay, nice, nice. It was just hard, wanting to do so much, or having to do so much to get, to become a nurse practitioner. So that was just the only problem with the system down there. I'm hoping that, they'll change some of that, because I'm sure a lot of nurses here in the US probably are thinking about, or wanting to go back to Jamaica and work. But if they're a nurse practitioner here in the US, nobody wants to go back and do, midwifery. Nobody wants to go back and do psych. Nobody wants to go back and do any additional post-basic course, because you already don't have your master's degree. You're already working as a nurse practitioner here in the US or Canada or the UK. So nobody really wants to go back down there and, having to go back to do additional courses to, meet the criteria for working as a nurse practitioner there. So I'm hoping that is something that they'll consider or they'll look into and make the necessary changes. Thank you so much to all the other persons who have checked in. Really do appreciate you taking the time out to be here. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I talk about just general information regarding nursing, my nurse practitioner journey, things that I can use to encourage, or, just information that I share that will be beneficial or hopefully will be beneficial to you. And I also share information regarding my transition from Jamaica here to the US with a recruiting company. So you can always feel free to ask any questions regarding that, any of the topics, and I'll try to answer based on my experience. And FYI, I'm not an immigration specialist, so this is just my opinion on certain things, okay? But yeah, so that's the only downfall right now with the system. But I'm sure a lot of persons will probably go back there, especially if there is not much crime. We need to cut down on the crime. And then, hopefully we'll have a lot of returning residents, including nurses, who will be working and giving back to the country. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. All right, so I remember to go ahead and double tap the screen. Yeah, that's what I learned the other day. You have to double tap the screen to give it a thumbs up. Hello, pretty eyes. How are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really appreciate you taking the time out. All right. So yeah. But otherwise, working in Jamaica, let's talk about working in Jamaica. That wasn't a bad, it wasn't that bad working in Jamaica. There are days, when it is awful. It is awful, but it wasn't bad working in Jamaica. I did enjoy my experience or my time working as a nurse in Jamaica, so that's good. You get a lot of hands-on, and you're, with your experience, you're building as you go along. So that was one thing I really appreciate about the system there. By the time you get over here, you basically lose all of your skill. Well, you lose it only if you haven't learned it, but it's really nice with all of the experience you gain in nursing school, and then with the pressure of working without resources, then, you gain a lot of experience and all. And that was one thing I really appreciate. Nice.